YouTube, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to be reacting to more of your renders here on the Discord server. So if you guys would like to join, the link is down below. Feel free to join. Also, if you join, you can also post your work onto ranking, and you can also so you can receive a rank. As you can see, we have ranks here. It goes from rookie, novice, experience, adept, elite, super, professional, master, and grandmaster right here. So you can see your rank beside your name. Alright, let's get right into it. The first one I see here is from Zopes Blizzard. It's an icon, sci-fi style. I think it's too contrasted, so the dark points here are too dark and the bright areas are too bright. So if you balance that out, I think it would look a lot better. Next one, we have a Naruto. I think you should add more effects. It looks like copy and paste effects, so it looks like it looks very flat. So you should add wind, smoke, and just more effects. Let's keep going. The next one is from Sin, another icon. This one is pretty good, but I think there are some things you could do that would make this even better. I'm gonna show you. Alright, so I just pasted his icon in here. So some things we could do. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. So you want to avoid making things too contrasted like this. So balance it out. Let's go for a color lookup. Very useful tool here. You can use this to bring out some highlights. But I wanna tone some stuff down. So let's see what we got here. Copy this. See. Alright, so this nighttime thing, I'm gonna add this. I'm going to use my brush with the color black. And now I'm gonna paint right here. Alright, now we're just gonna paint on the areas that are brighter. That. And this foggy night effects right here. Alright, I'm gonna add some smoke onto the scene. I think it makes it look a lot more dramatic, as you can clearly see. Let's go right here. I'm gonna try this right here. Alright. Alright, now for the camera raw filter. Brings out all the details, as you can see. Let's go for this right here. Forgot to erase the outline of the smoke. It's fine though. Alright, I think we're good. Let's check it out. Here is the before, and here is the after. So tell me what you guys think. I think this one is a lot more dramatic, detail. This right here is cool as well. But yeah, let's get back into reacting. Alright, let's see what else we got. Let's scroll up. This is a great render right here. I like it a lot. Alright, this is the Naruto one that we saw earlier. Okay, this is a PC setup. I think it could use a lot more shadows. Just a lot more dramatic lighting. So make the room darker. Have the light coming from your lamps right here. Add some more shadows. I do like the carpet. The PC looks cool. Maybe, yeah, just basic stuff. I made this from Studio, then Blender, then tweaked with some stuff. I don't think you should add the rain, or you should work on the rain. It looks, the whole thing, it looks, there's so much bloom going on with that one. This one, the image is too small. What's your ranker about to catch these fists? It's cool. The rain droplets need work. They look like, I don't even know. They look like little sparkles. I don't know. Alright, yeah, you should work on the effects. Placement. The placement is kind of weird. Let's see what else we got. One of my best right here. It needs shadows. There are no shadows. Let's keep going. What is this right here? This is odd. This is a very interesting photo. What is this, man? Alright, here's a really cool neon style one. If it can load. Or not, but it looks really nice regardless. Alright, yeah, that's gonna do it for this episode. I know this one is kind of quick, but it is getting kind of late. Well, it's not too late yet, but I want to get this video out today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.